a 2006 G35 sedan with a really rare 6-speed manual. Car only has 110,000 miles on it. Usually these things are pretty clapped out with like 180k and rust. This is an 06 with the sport package, so it's got a nice little spoiler in the back, nice wheels. It's honestly got a really heavy flywheel, so when you shift it holds revs like crazy. But yeah, honestly it drives very nice. It's not really that fast, but it sounds pretty good. It's got like a nice Catback exhaust, so you can hear that. Shifts pretty easy. I think this one has an aftermarket clutch that was probably put in, really heavy. Overall, I really like this car. I don't really think there's any better sedan for the money. My friend got this car for like $3,000 or something like that. I really can't think of a better car for that kind of money. I mean, this is a really nice car. Pickup's okay. Nothing crazy, but traction control definitely cut in there, but hopefully you guys could hear it a little bit. Kind of want one of these now, honestly, after driving it for a daily. What better than this for a cheap beater?